Hello, this is a slightly different video this time. It's about the Shark vacuum cleaner. Now I just acquired this from a friend, and I don't have much knowledge on vacuum cleaners, so my good friend's girlfriend knows a lot about these hoovers, and it's a Shark AZ910UK model. So that's all I know, and I need to get a good demonstration on how to benefit all the functions on this hoover. Now, I've got the expert here that's going to do a demonstration and show me and anyone else how to make the most and get the most out of this vacuum cleaner. I won't say hoover because it's not actually a hoover. I've been standard correctly. It's got to go by the actual name. I just used to call them a hoover, but it's, you know, that was what you called them. But when there's somebody that's passionate about vacuum cleaners, the expert, it's got to be called the right model, Shark. So what I'll do is I'll show you the hoover first of all. I'll turn this round and I'll show you what it looks like, and then after that I'll get my friend there to give you a demonstration, and I will get all the use out of it. Okay. Right, so this is the model hoover. It was originally £200, wasn't it? Yes. £200. So I got it for a good price. I got it for I got a good friend of them, friend of theirs. I got it for a good price. But there's a lot of functions on this hoover that, as I say, I don't have much of a clue about hoovering. I just plug it in and do the hoovering, but there is a lot of functions on this, and I'd like to show you all about it. So I shall pass you on to Louise Sturton.
Yes, hello.
Yes. Just a second. Okay, so my very good friend's partner, Louise Sturton, the expert, the Shark vacuum cleaner. I'll get it right. It's a habit to get out. I mean, I've always called it hoover since I was born, like, for all the years. I mean, I don't know much about them, but a vacuum cleaner. So Louise Sturton's the expert on the vacuum cleaners. So I'll turn this round and Louise will show you the demonstration on how to get the most out of this vacuum cleaner. Okay.
Hello. This is the Shark NV910UK. The T stands for the True Pet model, which comes with the turbo brush, and which is a very good deal if you ask me. The vacuum itself is an 8-metre cable, which just comes away from the top cord hook. That just swivels down, and it's got a cord holder there for putting it in the middle of vacuuming. And then it's got, this is just to hold the hose in place, the clip there. Just hold that down and it stays in place. You lift, and you can put any of the attachments on this to do any above floor cleaning.
So where was that lever, that switch that you...
Just at the back here, at the rear of the handle.
Oh, right.
Yeah. It just says here,
so you just...
handle release. You click it in, you don't even hold it in.
Oh, right, you just push that down then and that just comes out.
And then you just unclip it from the cord, the hose hook.
I see. All right, so that just...
Yeah, now you've got it in, you just use your handle for touching any of the tools, this is the duster crevice tool. You use it like this for getting all the crevices, like so. And if you want to do any dusting with it, you just slide that up like that. Maybe just like dust paint work or any
So that's basically for, like, say, getting into the corners, and
Yes.
you could use this on paintwork as well. Yeah.
Yes, you can use it on skirting boards, on door frames. And the best way to do door frames is take this off briefly.
Yeah. This is to do the door frames, yeah?
Yeah. You put it into what's called lift away mode.
Lift away mode, right, okay. So
you could lift that like that. You put the pod on the floor there.
Right.
Release the handle from the forehead. Take the duster crevice tool back there. And now you can just lift and up to do all the high door frames, woodwork, anything high up, ceilings, cornicing, anything.
So it just extends out, this basically.
Yes, this is the one. This is not just, you could also just use it as it is, just if you're needing any like cobwebs or anything.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Okay, so what to do is, if you want to show us again how that comes apart, just show us all the stuff. What was this? So, so taking it apart again. So what? Yes, take this.
Unclip the hose.
Clip that first. Yeah. So it just comes out. Yeah.
Yes. And then put it into lift away mode using this button on the top of the pod. Lift away button.
All right, I'll get this. Turn this round a wee bit. Okay, so lift away button. So you just press that,
press
yeah?
It. You press it once.
Yep.
And then the whole pod comes away.
Pod out, yep.
Yeah, like that. Now you've got it, and you could use this in powered lift away while you're vacuuming, or to do above floor cleaning.
What's that one there? So that's
the wand release.
So you press that and this comes out
away
from the bottom,
forehead.
All right,
And then, like I say, you've got it in convenient handheld mode now. You can just go up to the ceilings.
Yeah.
And
you just put your extra bits, these accessory bits on the end.
The accessories are stored actually on the pod.
All right, how do they come off now?
They just lift off like that.
All right, they just push fit into there, yeah?
Push fit. That's the duster crevice tool, and you've also got your upholstery tool.
Yeah, duster crevice
tool.
All right,
and that's the upholstery tool.
Oh, upholstery tool, that just pulls out as well, yeah?
Yes, that just slides out, and that could go into the end of the wand or the handle, not does any soft furnishings or anything.
That just goes on the push fit on the end, yeah?
Yes, the same as the duster crevice tool.
Oh, I see, okay. Right, so you've got this is lower bit, here's the forehead.
The forehead. Yeah? This is one of Shark's new best creations, if you ask me. Not only has it got dual clean, which is the soft roller here, which is great for getting up large debris off the floor.
Yeah.
You'll never have any snow ploughing with us. Never.
Oh, right, okay.
And this is a 0M, or we call it here in the UK, the anti-hair wrap brush roll. It's got the blades here along with the brushes, and it means that no hairs will get tangled up within the brush. Less cleaning, less maintenance.
Yeah, that sounds good, yeah.
Which is why it's a brilliant invention, if you ask me.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's easily cleaned. You just need to get a quick wipe down with a wipe or a bit of kitchen roll or whatever you have.
Yeah.
Yes. And that's the main forehead, which is which you could just leave that to one side if you're doing above floor cleaning.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the.
So the power just goes into this main bit here, obviously, that's the...
You've got your power going through the actual hose. As you can see, you've got your power connectors on the end of the hose, which connect into here. If you see there, that's where it connects, and that's where your power comes from.
All right, so it just basically drives the motors in there.
Like the power goes through the hose.
Okay.
And then it just clicks back in. Like so, and then
quite a lot of stuff. I mean, as I say, I have a clue about the Hoovers, but I'm going to just ask a few questions. This is for those that are like me that don't care much about vacuum cleaners. I'll get that right.
Yes.
There's a load of switches and stuff here. I'll go through some of the basic stuff, some of the basic functions and that. So I'll hand you back. I'll turn it round and the expert, Louise Stern, will explain. Right, yeah, so there's quite a lot of switches and all these different things that I don't know much about. So
start off from the top of the handle.
yeah, okay.
This switch here is to swap from hard floor mode to carpet mode.
Hard floor mode to carpet mode.
Yeah.
So like I hard floor would be your
kitchen
floor,
floors, yeah.
bathroom floors, and soft floors are like carpet and that, yeah.
Up is for carpet mode, down is for hard floor.
Oh, okay, right. And is this just like a wee indicator here that shows you?
Yes, yes. So you've got the carpet low pile, and then you've got your hard floor there.
Oh, that's what the signs mean then.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's basically the symbol for
That's for your carpeting.
carpeting. That's for that, and that's hard floor.
Hard floor, that's like a tile.
Tiles.
Correct? Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. I see.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So these are like your main switches. I take it. This is your
Yes,
on and
that's
off
your power button.
power button. That's
That's your lift away mode. To
lift out
yes.
from the what's that
The
bottom
forehead.
bit, the forehead. And
This is your wand release to go into above floor cleaning.
oh, like say for the ceiling. Is
Yes.
That, yeah?
And this is for hose release, which is if you happen to get a blockage and you need to check your hose, it just comes away, you give it a clean, and if there's anything there, you can just pull it out.
Oh, right. So that that's for
Yes.
like anything, like
Yes.
if a sock or a hanky
Yeah,
or
so
something.
if you've the back of something you shouldn't have done.
Yeah, you just press that and then it releases
It
out. Yeah.
slides back into place with a click.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just go back in.
So these levers here, what are these for now?
These are your bin emptying. To release the bin from the pod, you've got two catches at either side of the handle here. If you could see those.
These here,
Yes. You just pull them up and the dust cup comes away.
yeah? Oh, right.
Yeah.
So that's these there.
You just pull them up.
So it's sitting on the in situ,
Yes.
you just basically
Pull them up.
and this whole unit
Yes.
comes out, yeah? And these front bits.
Just lift it away.
Uh-huh.
And to empty it, you just release the bottom catch and it comes away, and then you just empty it into your bin.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So it just, all the dust and everything goes in there, you
Yes.
just tip that from,
And
and then it just clicks back in, yeah.
And you can actually lift the lid off if you want to clean this metal
Oh, is that a
shield.
filter? Oh, right. Is
There's a
that
filter there. That's
filter.
the metal shield.
right? And that does this come out? Is it
No. This will need a clean every now and again.
What do you do to clean this
Just
now?
a wipe.
Just
a
wipe it down, yeah. Okay.
And then you've got the main filters here.
Oh,
Which
this
will
is
need-
the motor. Is this the air filter? Is it?
Yes, you've got the main filter here. The sponge filter needs washed once a month.
Right.
You've
And
got the
how do you wash this filter now?
Just rinse it under the tap. Just rinse it under the tap.
Just under the tap, yeah.
And squeeze it and let it dry for at least 24 hours. But make sure it's 100% dry before you put it back into your... Because this is your motor under here.
Ah, this is the electrical motor. So
Yeah,
it
this
sucks
is-
the air in through this filter into the motor, and then
Yes.
there's causes the vacuum, well, sucks it up and
Yes.
vacuum effect. Yeah.
So once a month is ideal, but it depends on how much use it's got. You just have to just check it every month to see if you think it needs a clean.
Yeah.
And it just slots back in
Goes
like
back
that.
in there, yeah.
Then this will just slide back on.
So to get it off, you just these two.
Two
Pinch
tabs
things
at the
just-
side.
If I could do it, anybody could do it. Right.
That is very easy.
I see, and then it just clicks back in again. Okay, so basically going through the basic parts then. This top bit here's to release that, you just pull that down and then lift it up, yeah?
Yes. There you are.
And that's the top bit done.
Yes.
And for the other section, this lower bit, the lift away, you just,
Yes, you just click that.
oh, alright, and had my camera at the same time, you
Yes,
just push that down and then just
do it one
pull
hand.
it out.
Yes, yes.
Um,
We just lift out and then
oh, aye.
back in.
Right. Okay. So just going through the main components again. It's the handle, the wand, dust cup on the main pod, and the what's that called?
Forehead.
the floor head. That's the main components. So I need to have an exam to learn how to use these things. A degree in hoovering, vacuum cleaning. So Louise will do a wee demonstration. We'll switch on the vacuum cleaner and we'll see how this thing works and what it sounds like and everything. Okay, so I'll turn this round and I'll show the demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to get a wee demonstration here. Right, just show us how it's done then.
Put it into operating mode.
Operating mode.
On there. Pull back on the handle.
So you just, where it's...
It's got the little foot.
The symbol there, the foot symbol. Just put it there and then pull it back,
Right, just switch it on.
Nice lights on it as well.
And to use this in powered liftable mode, before that, manage to get on the low furniture, anything you slide right under. Then you do it off the floor. You start over Now this is the turbo brush that comes with the vacuum, which is ideal for doing stairs. You get up and down, no problem. Right. As you may have heard on that little demonstration there, the turbo brush did get clogged a little, and it's easy to clear. You just open it up with these two tabs, and you open up to get to the turbines just there.
Oh, right, this is the turbine here.
Yeah, and this is the cleaning blade. And this is the belt.
Oh, it's got the wee belt as well,
Yes.
a tooth belt,
Tooth
yeah.
belt,
I see, yep. And you could replace that if they break, yeah. You
Yes,
get parts.
yes.
You get them online, just
Yeah.
order them up online.
That's the turbine. It spins, and that turns the belt, which turns the blades.
Right, so anything that gets stuck, you
Yeah.
just flick that open again, you do...
And then that's it just sealed back up, ready for use again.
How do you open this again now?
You hold those two black tabs at either side of the inlet, and it should just slide up.
Yeah, that's quite...
And to open it, you just pull on the tabs and lift it like that.
Nice.
And that's.
So where does this bit go then?
There isn't an actual storage spot on the pod. You have to just store it in a safe place.
Oh, right. So this is just an accessory then?
Yes, an accessory.
Oh, I see. Right. Okay.
You just have to find a safe place to store it when you're reading it.
That's a handy thing. Okay. Yeah. So this is the
upholstery tool.
The upholstery tool, and this is ideal for like say cushions on settees and stuff. Oh, so you've got to change when you're using on this fabric upholstery. You've got to change this from obviously the hardtails up onto the carpet setting just by flicking up.
Yeah.
Flicking up that switch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's right. That's the turbo brush there,
yes, this is the turbo brush, ideal for, like I say, stairs and any like soft furnishings if you need something a bit more colour. Your duster crevice tool.
Yeah, that's handy for lights of getting into these corners, isn't
it? Yeah, and down the side of settees, chairs.
Yeah, you're getting right in the back of right at the back of the cushions and stuff. Yeah.
And then when you put it, the brush is good for general dusting.
Yeah, dusting and that.
Furniture. And the upholstery tool is when you've got very delicate fabrics. I would use this, not that.
Right, so that's better for fragile.
Yes, delicate fabrics.
Delicate fabrics, yeah.
That's if you've got any more hard wearing fabrics that you think they'll be able to cope with.
The turbo brush light, that's for hard wearing stuff, yeah.
That's for delicate. Quick start guide that came with it.
Yeah, you get the quick start. All right.
Quick start guide. And also this is the full instructions. This is, you're actually best to give it a good read through. Just to go through all the different features.
Yeah, that's it.
You've also got the actual main vacuum itself.
So you get like, obviously you bought it first, do you get this 5-year guarantee
if you buy
Shark?
Direct from Shark, you get the 5-year guarantee automatically. But if you buy for another retailer like Curry's or Argos, you have to register with Shark for your 5-year.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. But if you buy direct from Shark themselves, it's automatically registered to your account.
Yeah. So what is this anti-allergy? What does that mean?
Complete seal, it means whatever you're sucking into
anti-allergy complete seal.
Yes.
So just,
It means whatever you're sucking in won't get back into the air. If you've any like dust or anything, it will not get back into the air.
Right.
It's good if you've got allergies or anything.
Yeah, it doesn't it?
Yeah.
What's that?
Duo Clean is the soft brush roll at the front of the forehead, which is good for large dairy crumbs and everything like that.
That's this first brush here.
The orange and black brush roll.
Right, so this is the Duo Clean brush here.
Yeah, the soft brush roll at the front, which is brilliant for large dairy crumbs, anything like that. You'll never snowplow with that.
Right, okay. So what's this one now again?
The anti-hair wrap is the new invention from Shark, which is the second brush roll in the yellow and black one. The brushes and the blades there, it's a new system where it'll not The brush won't tangle. It
Oh,
won't
right.
tangle any like loose fibres or hairs or anything.
Yeah. So what's this?
That's just a guide to what accessories you get with the vacuum.
Right.
That just tells you what you get.
Okay. Okay, so you got this anti-hair
The anti-hair
wrap.
wrap is the brush so at front of the back.
Oh,
of the
yeah.
forehead.
And the pet hair removal tool is
That's this.
is the turbo
brush, yeah.
turbo brush. Right. So overall, it's a good Hoover, and you'd recommend it to anybody then.
Yeah. Recommend Sharks to anyone.
Yeah. And you've had Sharks for many years now, haven't you? And you've done
5 or 6 years.
5 or 6 years, and you've got a big collection as well,
Yeah.
And when you do the reviews for them, they because you're such a customer, you've had a free Hoover, didn't you?
Yeah, I do online review. They send me a vacuum, and I do an online review, and then I get to keep that vacuum.
That's great.
Yeah.
So you're confident that you're going to have good clean carpets with this Hoover. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, definitely.
That's fine. Excellent. Cheers. So, there's a little bit more knowledge for you. It certainly enlightened me quite a bit. There's a lot to these vacuum cleaners, a lot of hidden functions, and they could do a lot of things nowadays. I mean, before I just used to think of vacuum cleaner, Hoover, vacuum cleaner, you just pushed it along the carpet and that was it. But gosh, there's so much more you can do with them. So I've inquired this for a good price. It's still even got some of the guarantee left on it. It's hardly been used. And I'm hoping to get quite a lot of many years of good clean carpets with it, good service out of it. So it's courtesy of Louise Sturton and her expertise with the Shark vacuum cleaners. I hope you've enjoyed that, and thanks for selecting my video.